The air crackles with anticipation. A symphony of languages fills the air. Subscribe to the bell icon below. Mecca, the holiest city in Islam, throbs with the energy of millions. They have come from every corner of the globe, a tapestry of cultures and ethnicities united by their faith. This is Hajj, the annual pilgrimage, a pillar of Islam and a deeply spiritual journey. The very air seems charged, a tangible presence of faith and devotion enveloping the city. The Grand Mosque, home to the Kaaba, becomes a swirling sea of humanity. White-clad pilgrims, stripped of worldly distinction, circle the Kaaba in unison. Their voices, raised in prayer and supplication, create a powerful chorus of faith. The scene is a testament to the unifying power of belief, a visual reminder of the global Muslim community. Among them are seasoned pilgrims, their faces etched with experience, guiding first-timers. Excitement mixes with trepidation in the eyes of the newcomers as they embark on this life-altering journey. Each step taken, every prayer offered is infused with meaning, connecting them to centuries of tradition and to their fellow Muslims. This shared experience transcends geographical boundaries, fostering a sense of brotherhood and sisterhood that permeates the entire Hajj pilgrimage. The Hajj is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. It is a mandatory religious duty for all able-bodied Muslims who can afford it. This journey is a physical, emotional, and spiritual endeavor. It is a testament to submission to God's will and a demonstration of solidarity with the global Muslim community. The Hajj is not merely a ritualistic practice, it is deeply rooted in Islamic history, tracing its origins back to the Prophet Abraham. Muslims believe that Abraham, along with his wife Hagar and son Ishmael, established the foundations of monotheism in Mecca. The rituals performed during Hajj are symbolic acts of obedience and devotion, commemorating the trials and triumphs of Prophet Abraham and his family. By retracing their footsteps, Muslims reaffirm their faith and commitment to God. The pilgrimage serves as a powerful reminder of the shared heritage and history that unites Muslims worldwide. The journey begins with the donning of the ihram. This simple, unstitched white garment symbolizes purity, equality, and the stripping away of worldly status. Rich and poor, king and commoner all stand equal before God, clad in the same simple attire. This act of shedding outward appearances is a powerful reminder of the transient nature of worldly possessions and the importance of humility before God. In this state of ihram, all are equal, their hearts focused on the divine. Distinctions of race, nationality, and social standing fade into insignificance as pilgrims stand shoulder to shoulder, united in their devotion. This unity and equality are central to the message of Hajj, emphasizing that all are equal in the eyes of God. The ihram serves as a constant visual reminder of this essential Islamic principle throughout the pilgrimage. It fosters a sense of brotherhood and sisterhood among the pilgrims, reminding them that they are all part of one global Muslim family. The heart of the Hajj lies in the tawaf, the circumambulation of the Kaaba. Pilgrims circle the Kaaba 7 times counterclockwise, their hearts and minds focused on God. This rhythmic movement, a sea of humanity flowing in unison, is a powerful symbol of unity and devotion. With each step around the Kaaba, pilgrims repeat prayers and supplications, seeking forgiveness, guidance, and closeness to God. The Kaaba, draped in its black silk cloth, stands as a physical representation of God's presence on earth. Embedded in the eastern corner of the Kaaba is the black stone, believed to be a gift from God. Pilgrims strive to touch or kiss the black stone, an act of love and reverence. The tawaf is a deeply moving experience, a physical and spiritual journey that brings pilgrims face to face with their own mortality and the infinite mercy of God. The Sa'i, a brisk walk between the hills of Safa and Marwa, commemorates Hagar's desperate search for water for her infant son Ishmael. Muslims believe that God answered Hagar's prayers, revealing the Zamzam well, which continues to flow to this day. Pilgrims retrace Hagar's steps, running between the two hills 7 times, symbolizing her unwavering faith and perseverance in the face of adversity. This act is a testament to the strength and resilience of the human spirit and the boundless mercy of God. The Sari is a reminder that even in the most challenging times, God is always with those who trust in Him. It is a story of hope and faith, inspiring Muslims to face their own trials with courage and determination. The act of Sa'i is a physical manifestation of this belief, a testament to the enduring power of faith and the importance of never losing hope. The most important day of Hajj is the day of Arafat. Pilgrims gather on the plain of Arafat, a vast expanse of desert standing shoulder to shoulder in prayer and supplication. This is a day of deep introspection and repentance, of seeking God's forgiveness and mercy. Pilgrims spend the day in contemplation, reflecting on their lives and their relationship with God. They pray for themselves, their families, and the entire Muslim community. The day of Arafat is a powerful reminder of human vulnerability and dependence on God. It is a day when earthly distinctions melt away and all stand equal before their Creator. This experience fosters a profound sense of humility and gratitude, reminding pilgrims of the true purpose of life, to worship God and to live a life of righteousness. As the sun sets on the day of Arafat, pilgrims move to Muzdalifah, another significant location in the Hajj journey. Here they gather pebbles under the open sky, preparing for the symbolic stoning of the devil. These pebbles represent the rejection of temptation and evil. The act of collecting pebbles is a reminder of the constant struggle between good and evil that exists within every human being. It is a symbolic act of defiance against temptation and a reaffirmation of one's commitment to righteousness. The night spent in Muzdalifah is a time for reflection and prayer, preparing for the next stage of the Hajj journey, which involves confronting and rejecting evil. The pebbles serve as a tangible reminder of this commitment, carried by the pilgrims as they continue their spiritual journey. The stoning of the devil takes place in Mina. Pilgrims throw the pebbles they collected at 3 stone pillars, symbolizing the rejection of temptation and the triumph of good over evil. This act commemorates Prophet Abraham's resistance against Satan's attempts to dissuade him from sacrificing his son. The stoning ritual is a symbolic act of defiance against temptation and a reaffirmation of one's commitment to God. It is a reminder that the path to righteousness is often fraught with challenges. The act of throwing the pebbles is cathartic, allowing pilgrims to release pent-up frustration and anger, and to symbolically cast away the negativity that may hinder their spiritual growth. This ritual serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of resisting temptation and striving for righteousness in all aspects of life. The culmination of the Hajj coincides with Eid al-Adha, the festival of sacrifice. Muslims around the world celebrate this joyous occasion by sacrificing an animal, typically a sheep or goat, commemorating Prophet Abraham's willingness to sacrifice his son as an act of obedience to God. The meat from the sacrificed animal is shared with family, friends, and the less fortunate, emphasizing the importance of generosity and compassion. Eid al-Adha is a time for family and community, a time for forgiveness and reconciliation. It is a reminder of the importance of selflessness and the willingness to give back to those in need. This festival strengthens the bonds of community and reinforces the importance of social responsibility within Islam. The Hajj is a transformative experience. Pilgrims return home spiritually cleansed, their hearts filled with humility, gratitude, and a renewed sense of purpose. They carry with them the lessons learned during their pilgrimage, striving to embody the values of compassion, generosity, and unity. The Hajj is more than just a physical journey. It is a spiritual odyssey that leaves an indelible mark on the hearts and minds of those who undertake it. The experience fosters a deeper understanding of their faith and a stronger connection to the global Muslim community. Pilgrims return home with a renewed sense of purpose, inspired to live a life of righteousness and to contribute positively to their communities. The Hajj serves as a powerful reminder of the universality of Islam and its message of peace, equality, and submission to the will of God.